Friends, good morning. In TYBSc Organic Chemistry Paper 3, we are going to study the strength of organic acids and bases. Acids. Acid strengths are determined in pKa form, pKa values. The strength of an acid HA in water, that is the extent to which it is dissociated, may be determined by the equilibrium. When H2O reacts with HA acid, it gives H3O plus and A minus. Then the equilibrium constant in water is given by the Ka is approximately equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of A minus divided by HA. Ka is converted into pKa. pKa is nothing but the minus log of 10 base Ka. The origin of acidity in organic compounds. Among the factors that may influence the acidity of an organic compound HA are the strength of the HA bond, the electronegativity of A, the factors stabilizing the A minus compared to HA, and the last one, nature of the solvent. First factor, that is strength of HA bond. When it is weaker, then H plus can be easily go out and the strength of acid is more. And second factor is that electronegativity of A, if it is more, then it easily takes pair of electron and H plus is dissociated easily. That means the acid is stronger one. Factor stabilizing A minus compared to HA is the most important factor. If it is stabilized by different factors like inductive effect, resonance, then that is again increasing the acidity of the acids. For example, here the methanoic acid, or that is the formic acid, if it is react with water, then it forms water here acts as a base and it forms the formate ion or methanoate ion, and it is stabilized by resonance as indicated in the equilibrium and the resonance. In case of phenols, phenol is also acting as a acid. It's after dissociation it forms phenoxide ion, and which is stabilized by resonance indicated in these structures to A, B and C, D, etc. If it is more structure stabilizing, more is the acid strength of the given compound. The influence of the solvent. The strength of acid is also determined by the nature of solvent. Water generally we are using as a solvent for different reactions. It is highly polar, its dielectric constant is 80, and it has ion solving ability. Ion pairs, after dissociation it is stabilized by solvation factor. Ions in a solution strongly polarize nearby solvent molecules and forms solvation envelope of the solvent molecule around them. The greater the extent, greater is the stability of the ions. Because of the smaller size of water, it stabilizes both cations and anions. It stabilizes anions more due to hydrogen bonded type of solvation. This type of solvation cannot be occur with cations, but H plus type of cations can also be stabilized by hydrogen bonding, like HY with n molecules of water. H plus is stabilized by water by hydrogen bonding, and the Y minus is also stabilized by hydrogen bonding, forming the envelope of H bonded hydrogen molecules around it. Smaller alcohols like methanol also behave like water. For example, HCl is stronger acid in methanol. Most important criteria for solvent is that it must be function as base. Weaker the base, smaller is the dissociation of acid. Like methyl benzene is a weaker base in this case, and HCl remains undissociated, so it does not act as a acid. We are going to see some different acids and their acid strength. First, simple aliphatic acids. The replacement of non-hydroxylic hydrogen atom of formic acid or methanoic acid, we say. The alkyl groups, if it is replaced by H is replaced by alkyl group, it weakens the acid due to electron donating inductive effect of the alkyl group, reducing the electron affinity of the oxygen atom carrying the proton, therefore reduces the strength of the acid. In the alkyl substituted anion, the increased electron availability on oxygen would serve to promote its recombination with proton as compared with the methanoate ion or methanoic acid equilibrium. In this example, the methyl group is electron donating as compared to hydrogen, so it is weaker than the formic acid. We would thus expect the equilibrium to be shifted to the left compared with that of methanoic acid, methanoate anion, and it is in fact found that pK of the ethanoic acid is 4.76 compared to the methanoic acid, that is formic acid, it has pK 3.77, that means it is stronger. Further, substitution of alkyl groups in ethanoic acid has much less effect. The influence on the acid strength is not always regular. Steric and other factors play an important role. pK values are observed as follows. Suppose as we increase the alkyl groups, pK values are increasing, means the strength of acids are decreasing in the given following examples. In case of unsaturated carboxylic acids, if there is double bond present adjacent to the carboxylic group, the acid strength is increased. For example, propanoic acid, that is acrylic acid, it has a pK value 4.24 compared with the 4.88 for the saturated propanoic acid. This is due to the fact that unsaturated alpha carbon atom has sp2 hybridization, which has electron withdrawing effect than the saturated sp3 hybridized atom due to the larger s character in sp2 hybrid carbon. In case of sp hybridized carbon atom of the triple bond, the effect is more prominent. pKa of the propanoic acid is 1.84. Such type of effect also observed in ethene, ethine, and also in substituted carboxylic acids which have electron withdrawing substituents, such as observed in the following table. So here a number of examples are there. Compared to methane, it has pK value 43, and when there is double bond present in the compound, acid strength increases, and also some electron withdrawing groups also increases the acid strength. As go down, we can see that the nitro groups increases acid strength highly, cyanide acid group, etc. In the given examples. Cyanide, tricyanometane, trinitromethane, they are very strong acids. Their pK values are about 0. Substituted aliphatic acids, here there are a number of examples in which if we introduce electron withdrawing substituents into the simple aliphatic acids, the effect is more marked. The halogen with an inductive effect acting in the opposite direction of alkyl might be expected to increase the strength of an acid. So, substituted, and this is indeed observed as pK values in the following example. Suppose acetic acid having pK value 4.76 and monofluoroacetic acid 2.57, then chloroacetic acid 2.86, dichloro, it increases acid strength because of 2 chlorine atoms, its pK value is 1.25, Then trichloro, again a more inductive effect, so its value is again decreases. pKa value means acid strength increases. Bromine and iodine also shows same effect. Bromo acetic acid and iodoacetic acids are more stronger than acetic acids because of their minus I effect. Also that can be shown by the its withdrawing effect and stabilization of ions in these examples. Fluoroacetic acid and acetic acid as compared, fluorine is electron withdrawing, so O minus is more concentrated negative charge on oxygen, it is shifted to fluorine, so no recombination. In case of acetic acid, methyl group is electron donating, so electron density on oxygen increases, so it can recombine easily back, so undissociated acid is there, that's why acid strength is less. In nitroacetic acid, trimethyl aminoacetic acid, we can see same effect, cyanoacetic acid, then some ester group, ketonic group, methoxy group, hydroxy group, all are showing the same effect. Then in the next examples, when the position of electron withdrawing group increases from the group, that is acidic group, then the strength of acids also decreases. In this case, alpha chlorobutanoic acid, beta chlorobutanoic acid and gamma chlorobutanoic acid, we see that the acid strength decreases, means as distance increases, inductive effect decreases. This also shown in these examples. Phenols are actually they are acting as weak acids because the phenoxide form after dissociation, it is stabilized by resonance, and if there are some electron withdrawing groups and donating groups, the effect we see by seeing the pKa value changes. Phenol has pKa value 9.95. The ortho nitrophenol is stronger than phenol, and its effect is seen in meta and para. The para one is most stronger as compared to ortho, meta and para, in between these three. This is because at para position there is more resonance stabilization. We can see in the structure resonance is there. In case of meta only minus I effect, in ortho there is minus I minus R effect, both are operating, that's why it is stronger. If we increase the nitro groups, 4-dinitrophenol is stronger, and 2,4,6-trinitrophenol is again more stronger, its pKa value is 1.02. If we introduce alkyl groups, that is electron donating inductive effect showing groups, then they decreases the strength of phenols, that is acid strength of phenols. Ortho, meta and para, there are comparatively ortho is weaker than meta is comparatively stronger in between ortho and para, because it shows smaller plus I effect, but here another effect is there, that is hyperconjugation may be acting, so that's why the effect is more in case of ortho and para, that weakens the acid strength of phenols. Aromatic carboxylic acids, they are stronger than their saturated analogues because the carboxylic group is attached to the sp2 carbon, which shows minus I effect. Alkyl substituents, if they are there in aromatic compounds, they show little effect as compared to withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups increases strength more prominent on the ortho and para positions. For example, here benzoic acid is having pKa value 4.20, ortho nitro benzoic acid 2.17, meta nitro benzoic acid 3.45, para nitro 3.43, and 2,4-dinitro benzoic acid 2.83, means number increases, strength also increases. In case of alkyl groups, if we introduced no prominent effect, we can see the examples in sidewise. Methyl group at meta position in benzoic acid, it is slightly increased pK values. Para, there is also slight increase in the pK values, means slightly decrease in the acid strength. Relation between pK and temperature. Ka and pK are non-intrinsic properties. They are varies with solvents as well as equilibrium constant varies with the temperature, and they are also relative to each other. Example, ethanoic acid is weaker acid than the ethyl butanoic acid below 30 degrees, but it is stronger acid above that temperature, means as temperature increases reverse effect is observed. So pK values and also the strength of acids depends upon the temperature. Thank you very much.